Good morning YouTube, for you guys know say life in. So this morning I boiled some cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. So this is a great coconut milk. So put on the pot on the fire, the water boil up. So I'm going to show you what I want people. So just stay tuned and I'm going to see when the cornmeal go in the pot and I store it. So let's see what I want people. Just live up yourself this man. Good morning and everything blessed. You know it's not life in nice place and thing. You know everything go. So the porridge are going nice. You hear that? Just stay tuned live. Alright people, see me up show the cornmeal. You see it people? Live. So I get some water, put in it and start stir it. Then we get it into the pot. Live. Alright people, see me stir it and I get the water. I stir out the meal and then we get it and put it in the pot people. So I want to have a nice enough. People, see me I put it in the pot now. Stirring it. Yes, people, you see it? Keep stirring it. Good old cornmeal porridge. Make you strong. The people. We just keep stirring it, stir it people, stir it. Just stay through the grease coconut milk, yeah? See it people? So I'm going to put it in now and keep stirring it. And make it cook in it, people. The fans live. You can cook in it. Porridge is good for you. Make you strong. So no milk, coconut milk. You can help people, so just keep stirring it. Yes, people, big up on yourself, my fans and my supporter. Want to bring me to 3K. I want just get to like and share and subscribe and comment, people. And I show up and everybody can boil cornmeal porridge. Some people boil it and you think you boil and you show the people them belly. You can't cook. Don't go cooking. You have to keep stirring it. Can't make it lump up. See it people? See it? Keep stirring it. Just make it cook. Give 10 to 15 minutes to cook, yeah? And then we can see processing and then we start share it and we see where porridge look like people. Pick up on yourself, a life we're not that. Life, highway, drive out the road, that one here go. Alright, this is nutmeg people. This one I'll grate a little bit of nutmeg into the cornmeal porridge. Let it cook down inside, let it cook down in there. So I'm going to grate in the nutmeg. Let's see what I want. So I know people, so I'm going to sweeten it now. I like coffee stuff. Alright people, so I'm going to put the sugar in there. Sweeten it now people. Sweeten it now people, see there. I get sheer, I know. A little bit of salt in there, you know? Eat the flavor. Live. So I get sure about now people, I want to see what I'm going live. Just stay tuned, live. People, you see porridge now? Live. You see it look nice and suitable? Live. See the people? See it there? Nice cornmeal porridge. Live. See it people?